Crashing in Xbox College Football 25. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, in Xbox, okay. We are going to the okay, here in the configuration of Xbox, okay, and here we are going to the section of general, okay. Here we are going to the section general and go to the configuration of your network, okay, of your Xbox, okay. The second step, okay, we are going to here, okay, and we are going to the Play Store, okay, your store in Xbox, and okay, you install, okay, the the game, okay, the College Football 25, and you if you have a update, you update the game and you solve the problem of crashing. Bye bye.